Hey friends, if you wish to put live wallpapers or active wallpapers on the PC on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, Windows doesn't have any options, so search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Store. Wait till it loads, search for live wallpaper and hit enter. Go to lively wallpaper. You can select any app, but I like this one. Click on install. Wait till it installs. We'll wait till it installs. It needs a minute or two. You can forward the video in that case. Once it is installed, click on open. Okay, and then you can select a set of live wallpapers and just see what happens. Now we have live wallpapers here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. See, it moves with this thing, the mouse click. Thank you and have a nice day.